Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn X sign. This is November bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn. Under the deck, 8 of Swords, 7 of Wands, 4 of Wands, and Page of Pentacles. There is some text is coming. Someone wants to communicate with you. I think you are in a defensive mode right now, Capricorn. There are some stability issues between you and your person, and lots of you are in twin flame journey. You are now protecting yourself and you're protecting your emotions here. Definitely, you are in a defensive mode. And 8 of Swords. So, Capricorn, you are feeling stuck. Maybe you have some fears also regarding this relationship or regarding your person. Definitely, you are feeling stuck. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 4 of Cups, 6 of Swords, and Page of Swords. Yeah, someone communicated with you in recent past, but issues between you and your person were not resolved. So some of you decided to move on from this person. Yeah, even though it is painful for you, but you have no other option, or you have no other choice. Maybe some of you already moved on, some of you decided to move on. Then present Queen of Swords, Five of Cups, and Empress. Finally, you are taking control of the situation here. You are setting boundaries. And after that, you are going through a lot emotionally because you love this person very honestly, because Five of Cups. Yeah, you're feeling sad here. But after Five of Cups, again you will be on your power because the Empress. You are now emotionally becoming very, very strong person. Everything happens for a reason. So whatever happening in your life right now, maybe you are in a difficult situation right now, but after that you will become like a this the Empress. Then future, Three of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and Page of Swords. Maybe a lot of spying is going. One person is watching other person on online here. I think you are focusing on your money, on your career here. Three of Pentacles with King of Pentacles. Financial stability, balancing finances here. Yeah, your total focus is now on your career and financial stability. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Capricorn, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Under the deck, Nine of Wands with Three of Cups. Yes. Right now, your person is guarded up, and lots of your third party involved in this relationship. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. And their intentions. Maybe you're dealing with Taurus. Maybe you're dealing with Leo. So I want clarification card for Queen of Pentacles here. Okay. Strong Leo energy. Yeah, spying. Definitely they are spying you, Capricorn. And it's a mutual love. They want to fix things with you. And they want rebirth. Yeah, it was ended between you and your person. Separation, but they want rebirth. Maybe you're dealing with Scorpio here. So the current feelings, Judgment, Two of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles. Your person have to make some decision here because they're juggling or they're trying to balance things in their life. But finally, they're going to make the decision, that is, they want to come towards you. But they are in slow moving energy because they are in Knight of Pentacles energy. Yeah, they want to come back to you, but they are in slow moving. But looking this time, your person is very serious about you. Their intentions, the Hierophant, Queen of Pentacles, and the Strength. Your person is also working on their inner self, and Queen of Pentacles is clarified by the Fool, Eight of Swords, and the Sun. Right now, your person feeling stuck. That's why they're in slow moving, but they want brand new beginnings with you. They're thinking about you very positively. And Hierophant, definitely they want to offer commitment or stability to you. Wow. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Eight of Cups. Ace of Swords. I want one more card here. Yeah. King of Swords. With Eight of Pentacles. They are not expressing their feelings. Maybe they're stubborn with you, but they want to leave behind everything which had happened between you and your person, like arguments, fightings. Yeah, they're fantasizing about you a lot. They want to give clarity to you. Ace of Swords. Yes, clarity is coming. You're manifesting something big in your life, and you are in a defensive mode, Capricorn. You're just protecting yourself here. So let's say mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Lot of cards are made. Why cards are jumping? Maybe you're dealing with Cancer. Yeah, some cycles already ended between you and your person. You are getting success for your hard work. They want brand new beginnings and they are coming towards you. But this connection is stuck right now. Everything is in slow moving between you and your person. Yeah, they will approach you. Then it's up to you what to do, what not to do, Capricorn. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I'm crazy about you. Twin flames, healing. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Capricorn. You are very close to achieving your goal. A new romantic cycle begins, new moon in Libra. Maybe you are dealing with Libra here. And under the deck, a personal issue reaches resolution, full moon in Cancer. Maybe you are dealing with Cancer here. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.